we are, checkmate.
I'm not having that. You've made these on this machine. This is amazing.
Have indeed. Yeah, so ALC600P. We've got on there a high-speed rotary axis as well as an indexable head. So really, we've used the chess piece as a nice example to show the capability of what you can do. So any weird and wonderful shapes you want to create, it's all possible. Been able to rotate that at high speed, so up to 1000 RPM, and then being able to index that to a position to actually, you know, put the form on as well.
Why have you done this? What I know what it's showcasing, but why? Is there market demand for this?
Yeah, there is. There's
not
market,
chess pieces.
Yeah. There's market demand for this sort of, especially more recently, this sort of application we've got. So, especially like tough materials that would be difficult to machine conventionally. You know, as long as it's conductive, we can use an EDM turning process. And again, even with sort of grinding wheel applications as well, something that could be very tough to dress in a conventional method, we can also use this as well.
They're so intricate. It's unbelievable what you've done on here. Exactly
that. So, you know, it just goes to show small diameter wires as well. We can do some very interesting and very intricate components.
And is this scalable for larger components? And how does it work on the machine?
Yeah, of course. So it doesn't have to be small and intricate. You know, we can go up to a much larger diameter as well. So anything up to sort of 150, 200 mil, that's not going to be a problem.
Yeah.
And again, the process is it's actually retrofittable to an existing machine, as well as something you can have fully integrated to a new machine. So the example we've got here, we've got the rotary indexer bolted onto the table, and we're controlling that from an external control box, but there's nothing stopping you having that fully integrated as well.
Nice. And then you just kind of let it run, and anything you need to change on the machine?
No, not really. No, just let it run away and do its magic.
Nice. And programming, does it change?
No, so really the basic simplicity is we're still taking a 2D wire path. All we're doing is just adding a rotary axis into it.
You enjoy doing this, don't you?
Yeah, you know, it's good. It's interesting, something different.
Yeah.